Oh, hey. PlaySmart presents Get Your Game On, where we learn how to play watch and win games with confidence so you can have more fun playing. Welcome. You all ready to get your game on? Fantastic. Today, we're with Oliver. Oliver, we're playing watch and win. You excited?
It sounds exciting, so I'm gonna say yes.
Perfect. That is the correct response, my friend. Now, watch and win is the best of both worlds. It gives you two ways to play by combining the fun of an instant in-store game with the excitement of a nightly draw that follows.
Oh, that's different.
Yeah, it sure is. Now, when you buy your ticket, the game begins to play on the screen at the lottery terminal.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's right. And the most exciting part is there is 3 different games that you can play. You can try your luck at Poker Lotto, take a spin with Wheel of Fortune, or let it roll with Megadice.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun.
It is. And don't forget, after you play, hold on to your ticket and go online or check the OLG lottery app to see if you've won the nightly draw.
Okay, that's awesome, but how does this all work?
Oh, you know what? It is actually super easy. Let's start with Wheel of Fortune.
Okay, I love Wheel of Fortune.
Well, then you're gonna love this.
I sure will love it.
Wheel of Fortune, your $2 play gets you 1 instant spin on the screen right where you buy it.
That's amazing.
Yep, that doesn't spin. Oliver, that doesn't spin.
Sorry.
Yeah, just a big TV screen.
Thought it was a touch screen.
Right. You know what? You can win up to $10,000. Plus, if you look right here, your ticket also has 6 random words printed on it. This is for the nightly draw where you can also win up to $100,000.
Woo!
That's right. Now, let's move on to Poker Lotto.
You know what? I can't wait.
Great. Poker Lotto is like it sounds. Each $2 play deals you a 5-card poker hand on the screen. Score a winning hand, and you'll win an instant prize right then and there. The better the hand, the bigger your prize, up to $5,000. And your hand will also appear on your ticket for the nightly draw. Don't worry, you do not need to know how to play poker to enjoy Poker Lotto. Your ticket will take care of everything for you.
That's amazing.
Oh, but we're not finished yet.
There's more?
Oh, yeah. Now, if you want, you can pay an extra $1 to have a chance to go all in. This is an add-on bonus that gives you a chance to win other prizes, including a growing progressive jackpot. You can track that jackpot right here on the in-store screen.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll go all in.
Okay, we have to go to the in-store first. And,
Okay.
we'll do
Right.
that after.
Not a touch screen.
But just know that the odds of winning after going all in don't change. It's a gamble.
Okay, that's good to know.
Good. Oliver, you want more?
You know I do.
Of course you do. You can also play Megadice. Each $2 play in Megadice gets you a 7-dice roll on the screen. There are 9 possible winning combinations with a top prize of $7,500. Yeah, now, here's a skill testing question to see if you've been paying close attention.
I love tests, so bring it on.
Perfect. Where can you typically play watch and win?
Shouldn't have said I love tests, because I don't know.
That's okay. It's a bit of a trick question.
Yeah.
While you normally play watch and win in-store, remember to also hold onto your ticket for the nightly draw where you can have a chance to win that jackpot too. So, Oliver, you think you're ready for some instant fun?
I am totally ready.
Perfect. One more thing. All outcomes of these games are randomly generated. They are purely chance and never due for a win. Something to keep in mind as you play. The nightly draw is at 10:30 p.m. Don't forget to check online or use the OLG lottery app. And always sign your ticket. You got it? Everything good?
Oh, I do now.
Perfect. Great. Let's go have fun and play smart. It's not. Oh, what is that?
Whoa.
Yep, that's